So since Austin's in there grinding, I came in here. But this is the top assembly I made for a client. He wanted a little bit different cosmetics, which is fine. This is just a piece of aluminum plate. I think originally this came off of a MA Audio Hardcore. The original version, which was on the 4-spoke frame, but it had a really wide gap. It was really kind of odd. And so what I've done is deployed my hyper intelligent M.A.C.K concept, modular audio, and so now it can be bolted onto an Orion HCCA 12-inch or 15-inch motor that uses their standard 8-hole pattern of number 1032s. I have the other pattern in here so I can use a non-HCCA motor as a jig, as a way to hold everything. So, and what's great, this is the Soundstream XXX, or I should say X3, or is it 3X? I forget. Anyways, it was their Gen 3 of the XXX from Soundstream, but which the soft part sucked, but the motor was really good. So anyways, but I had turned it into this, so thought this was kind of cute. But this will make a great HCCA sub for somebody. Because he didn't want it, I got to sell it. So it's $350 shipped, CONUS, and it should bolt right onto your 12-inch or 15-inch standard new version HCCA motor, which is, like I said, it uses an 8-hole pattern, which uses 10x32s. I'll include a ratchet and the hardware. So, bass, motherfuckers.